Our two guests, Dr. S.Y. Qureshi, former Chief Election Commissioner. We also have P.K.T. Nambiar, political analyst, supports the BJP. Mr. Nambiar, it's your experiment.
Sanket, firstly, that isolated cases which has been handled locally by the police, and in most of these these incidents, the cases have been charged by the police in respective places.
I will tell you what has happened in isolated cases. Mr. Nambiar, in these isolated cases, in some of the cases, the victim himself, there is an FIR against him. So that is also a problem.
May I?
Mr. Nambiar.
May I expect the same time what you had given to Qureshi Saab,
sure.
So that as my initial comment. There are a large number of isolated cases has been portrayed in the national media, a section of the national media, to create some kind of a Hindu phobia in this country. Some amount of fringe elements are there in every religion, every political party, in every section of the society, whether they do not have any specific religion or colors. In the Mewat region of Haryana, there is large number of incidents which has happened, which was there in the public domain, in social media, in the viral videos, but there was no discussion by NDTV on that. If you want, I will send you few of them, which is still circulating on the media. Today, as we discuss in this particular case, discussion, this is the 100th year of Muslim riot which happened, or Hindu genocide which happened in the Malabar region of Kerala, which is called even the Mahatma Gandhi, Annie Besant, and Dr. Ambedkar.
Mr. Nambiar, what does this have to do with MP and
No, I'm coming to. No, I wanted to tell you this. Why is it in these are the part of not in India? Is it not a part of India?
But right now we are talking about these acts of targeted violence. You are saying that if something has happened in Mewat, we'll report it.
Wrong. This is no. You haven't. Sanket, not only you and many people, many channels like you have not reported. What I am saying is that while I criticize such kind of incidents wherever it take place, whether it is UP, MP, Kerala, Maharashtra, or the Delhi, what we all need to have is that the fringe elements of every religion, every society needs to be treated and created in the same fashion.
No, not created.
In an isolated case. No, 1 second, Sanket. No, this will not be right. In isolated cases, which we have selectively taken up and trying to brand certain places and certain section of the society, they are all bad, and trying to create a Hindu phobia in this country. Even Qureshi Saab, I respect him so much. We often meet in multiple channels, but then the only thing which I feel is that don't create such an isolated incident as a national.
No, but this is not isolated. The way I look at it, these are instances of the past 12 days. Mr. No, one moment. Now you have spoken, Mr. Nambiar.
I wanted to tell you the incident.
One moment. Mr. Nambiar, you have spoken. Equal amount of time has been given, so you can't hold that against me. The point is that these are not isolated cases. Pick them up and you will realize that over the past 10-12 days, it almost appears like a synchronized attack against all those Muslims who are carrying or going about their daily life, their business. And I feel that this is a direct reflection of politics of hate.
That's the point. Sanket, this is where you are making a biggest mistake.
How?
You are not only making a biggest mistake, you are also doing an injustice to the society at a large, wherein we are trying to create. Let me
by highlighting such cases.
I am telling you, you are highlighting selective. I am only saying you are only highlighting selective cases of your choice.
So you criticize
so
this.
That to create.
I will highlight other cases also. We will criticize and question other cases also, but that cannot be a justification for this, Mr. Nambiar. Very quickly, Mr. Qureshi.
Sanket, I will accept what you are saying today. If you do a show tomorrow on the incidents which has been taking place in the last 3 years, forget about the past, in the Haryana, in the Mewat region.
Sure, Mewat region. Okay, now challenge accepted, we will do it.
You do a show,
and then Mr. Nambiar will not say ever again that there is selective, reporting.
Absolutely,
or anything. I will report. Done. Challenge. Mr. Nambiar, challenge accepted.
I will.
Mr. Nambiar,
challenge accepted tomorrow at the same time.
Okay.
Tomorrow at the same time. But I would like
you can't decide my rundown. No, I will do the program. Dr. Qureshi, I want to come to you. Mr. Nambiar, would you like to answer that? Why is hate such a favorite with politicians?
So the hate is that is precisely what I said. Firstly, I wanted to, because Qureshi Saab is such a senior person, I wanted to say very clearly, not only this 12 days, every bad element and every incident which is attacking another individual is not acceptable and condemnable, and the police of the authorities should take the stand. That is my stand. There is no change in it. Now coming to the second part of it, whatever
Quickly,
you are
please.
saying on the coup, the idea is that the challenge is that we are all here for peace. We are projecting a certain incidents, whether it is 1, 2, or 3, in a large country like us. We are doing an injustice and creating a phobia, whether it is Islamophobia or a Hindu phobia, which is not going to do good for the
It is
society.
not going to do
What
good,
I'm
but
saying
I
is
just
that
feel that if
good
on
for
the ground, it
society.
is my.
But
I've run